You think it's gonna break?
You keep talking, it will. I'm quitting.
It ain't tight, Larry. You gotta tighten it.
Well, then be quiet. Don't say it's gonna break, because it's not. If it does, I'm gonna throw a rock at you.
There's plenty of rocks around here. Just as long as that washer's not spinning as tight as you need. How many have you broken so far?
About 5.
Good Lord, you're a freaking monkey with that thing.
This thing's doing it.
You're a gorilla head. You still gotta put one there.
I already did.
Oh, did it break off in there?
Huh. Thought you did that.
No. You need to get your ass in gear. See, without me here to supervise,
I have to do everything.
you're lost. Well, you're lost without me. That much is obvious.
Oh,
See, you're going into ash with those things. You really need to pre-drill.
I see that didn't even get tight, cheap ass shit.
No, it didn't. But you still need to pre-drill. You can put another one in there. Have you got a big long jobber's bit? That's what you need.
No.
I should have got one when I was at Lowe's. Oh well. That's another catastrophe. Hey, we gonna eat lunch now or what? What? I'm hungry.
Fuck, you didn't get here at 12 o'clock.
Larry, watch your language.
Damn.
You can't curse on YouTube, I keep telling you.
Put the thing up.
I can't. My fans won't allow
On
it.
the back of the golf cart, there's a drill bit in a gun.
A drill bit and a gun.
I'd like to get a door up today if you quit raining.
Is this the drill bit you're talking about? I don't think this is long enough. I said jobber's bit. I meant to say installer's bit, like
These are only 2 inches long.
a big long one. Yeah,
These are only 2 inches.
go on.
So that's all we need. How much is sticking out on that one?
17 inches.
17 inches.
I'm sorry, 17 millimeters. There.
See?
I got confused with
Look
your
at
metric
that.
shit.
Plenty.
That ain't big enough. I'm gonna find you a real drill bit here.
Walking.
Right there's as good as it gets with that bit. Now,
That's all I needed.
now you know what to do.
Tell me.
Let's see what you got.
Tell me what I need to do.
Come on, installer man. I'm just gonna cut to the chase here, get a sawzall and just cut it off. How much you got left on that? That one's gonna break too. Are you gonna hit me with a rock if this one breaks too? You are, aren't you? You're thinking it. I know you're thinking it.
Shit, got it. Done.
That's amazing, Larry. Did I tell you what I did?
worked.
Did I tell you what I did to my hand when I was working the other day?
What'd you do?
I got a little tiny cut on my little finger. You see that? Doesn't look like much, does it? You would not believe the grief that has caused me. I had to put a splint on my finger and stuff. My whole arm hurt. It got infected. Look at it, it's infected. I'm surprised I don't have blood
Have you
poisoning.
got your Tampax on today?
Why,
Now that wasn't vulgar.
why do you ask? Oh, those tampon jokes are evergreen, aren't they?
Ooh, baby.
I told you it was straight. Plum.
Perfect.
It was plum. That's what I mean. It's plum. Man, that thing is rigid. That's what
Supposed
she
to be.
said.
Supposed to be.
Yeah, that's also what she said. Oh, man. Jokes just write themselves around here. All right, I got to take pictures of stuff that's for sale. Like and subscribe. Be of good cheer. Thanks for watching. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, Larry. Say goodbye to all my viewers.
You're the best, Brad.
Go on. It's LC.
You're gonna have to edit it.
It's LC. It's local crew when I'm on the channel here. Local crew. Don't ever forget that.
Yeah.
Bye, everyone.